Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Ann. From Davao City.
Hi Ann, congratulations. Member na di ka karon sa 3 citizenship holder. Filipino citizenship, Norwegian citizenship, o senior citizen. Happy birthday! God bless! Amping kanunay. See you soon sa imong pagbakasyon dito sa Pinas. Bye-bye! Happy birthday!
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
birthday, Mama Ann. We wish you good health. So, more birthdays to come. Blessing sa Ginoo. Salamat sa tanan nga tugma nga gihatag nimo sa amo. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mamita. I love you, Mamita.
Hi, Ann. Happy birthday, ga. And welcome to the Club of Seniors. And it is a great blessing from God. And with all humility, thank you, Lord, for this additional life that you have. And hinaot ga nga ampingan nimo imong kaugalingon kay dili sayon nga mag-senior o imong pamilya pod labi na gyud nga layo ta o layo ka kanamo o ginaot nga sa kanunay ana atong maayong relasyon may pagsinabtanay sa pamilya o naarami din nga nagpaabot nga nagkuan mi long mi sa inyong pagbakasyon usab o hinaot nga smooth kami ang atong mga relasyon. We love you and we thank you for that. And again, happy birthday from your manang and all Galvis family. Bye.
Don't you worry, Andy, it's alright. You are 16 now, you look so bright. You look awesome and enjoy your life. Stay young like a kid at heart. Oh, 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 oh. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Nangan.
Tita Ann. From the Botag family, we wish you happy birthday and more birthdays to come. And have a good health.
Hi, man! Happy birthday! Welcome to the World Citizenship. Iguli na to sa Pinas na natay discount sa mga restaurant, mga unta kada adlaw. Enjoy your birthday, man! Bye!
Kumusta akong classmate, akong kumari, akong silingan, akong barkada. Mag-16 na di ka? Ang imong naong mura pa mag 40 oy. Bitawan, mamiss di gid nako ang atong mga memories sa una, nga na-enjoy gid nato ang atong mga teenage life, labi na itong mga choirlista, mag-uban-uban ta, labi na pag ninyukod, silingan gyapon ta, kumari pa gyud. Mamiss gyud nako na kaayo nalipay sa kaiko nga part ko sa inyong life. Mag-16 naman din siya, oy. Di ba maklaro? Hat lola naman gihapon. Happy 68th birthday. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with love, laughter, and great memories. You've been such a blessing to everyone around you. Isa na ko, anak. May this year bring you even more joy, good health, and peace in your heart. Love you, Ann. Miss you so much. See you soon.
Hi, I can begin to describe how much I value our friendship. We bring joy to everybody, and in today's world, it's nearly impossible to find a true good friend, and you are one of them. Thank you for making this journey worthwhile. Having you has always been like having a sister. You will always be my best friend for the rest of my life. Happy birthday, Ann. May you have more birthdays to come. Nag-practice dyan po ang Norwegian na word to greet yung happy birthday to lisod man. So, ano na lang yun? Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Love you. Osab, okay. Osab.
Happy birthday, Mamita. First of all, I would like to express how grateful I am kay nakaka-perminti dara if we needed help, especially in our studies. Nakaka-perminti dira para mutabang financially, and also thank you for all the love and for being very generous, and I hope this special day of yours will be filled with full of smiles, and I hope na ma-enjoy ni mo ni nga day, zero stress, and amping kanunay. I love you.
Hi Ma, happy birthday. Even though we're so far away, I can still feel your love and care and sacrifices for me. Thank you for everything, Ma. You never gave up on me, ever once. I love you, Ma. Happy birthday.